Bro, but like this is a fire, like bro, like chat, this was a fire move.
This is your model, Ronaldo. Am I right? So, like him. I'm better.
Chat, y'all can't lie, bro. I can make it to the Premier League. If I really try, I could maybe make it to the Premier League. 2010. Like, look, bro. Fire edit. That was a fire edit. I was not expecting that. That was a fire edit. I was not expecting that. Chat! Chat, I gotta get a goal, bro. I can't retire without getting a goal, though. Nigga. Alright, that's it! That's that, bro.
Guys, whoever has the biggest eggplant will marry me.
I have the biggest eggplant, Georgina.
I will be a great husband with the biggest eggplant.
Just wait for my secret weapon, haha.
You will be surprised when you see my eggplant.
All right, guys, I'm excited. Messi, you go first, please.
All right, Georgina, look at my eggplant.
What? That is even possible?
I hate you guys.
That was so small. Speed, you're next, please. I hope your eggplant is big.
Sure it is, Georgina. It was made for you.
Not bad, Speed, but it's not what I'm looking for. But you got potential.
All right, thanks, Georgina.
What the
So who
fuck?
has the biggest eggplant? Like if it's Ronaldo, subscribe. If it's Mr. Beast.
Georgina, I have the biggest eggplant you've ever seen.
All right, Mr. Beast, show me your eggplant, please.
All right, Georgina, look at my tool.
That's not even an eggplant. Are you serious? Just leave.
Okay, sorry, Georgina, goodbye.
Now my favorite one. Ronaldo, please show me your eggplant.
All right, Georgina, here it is. I hope you like it.
What?
God, marry me, please.
Chat, just imagine if Junior was watching my fucking stream right now, y'all. Like, chat, just imagine if Junior was watching my fucking stream right now. Who is making this shit? Okay. Okay. Fuck, is that a T-Rex? Damn, they got T-Rex.
And then enter this incredible stage.
Bro. I ain't gonna cap, chat. I ain't gonna cap. After this, bro, the day after the when Braun Breaker spared me, chat, like I had probably one of the worst headaches. I couldn't move, chat. I could not move, bro. Like I thought I was genuinely about to die. Like, real talk. That was maybe one of the most craziest worst experiences ever. Like, real talk.
Hit that backflip.
Oh my fucking gosh! Bro, did you see how he hit his head? Bro, why is this grown ass man doing that, bro? Flight, bro. Flight, bro. Bro! Oh my fucking gosh, bro. They should have called me up, bro. Yo, Speed, I would have had your back, bro. I would have put this nigga on his ass, bro. Man, fuck it. Bro, why did he do that? Chad, what would Flight would have done, bro? Bro, is he good? All jokes aside. Flight would have not helped me, dog. He was just gonna sit there.
Run, nigga, run! Run, run, run! Run, nigga, run!
What the f? Who is making this shit?
break toes? What is y'all doing? I ain't gonna lie, chat. I got one more game to prove myself, chat. I have one more game to prove myself. They said, Jamal, stop acting tough, bro.
I am tough. What you mean? I'm 16, baby. Today's my birthday.
I have one more game to prove myself, chat.
Ready to go back out there? Ready? I'm ready.
Peru is clave! Chat, I gotta go back to Peru, y'all. I gotta go back to Peru. Chat, I gotta go back to the Three Musketeers, y'all. Peru, Poland, and Indonesia, y'all. We have to pull up to the Three Musketeers, chat. The three red and whites. Bro, they are like, I hate when y'all do it. Like, y'all speed up a clip and say somebody's faster than me. Like, chat. I'm not like chat, like bro, and I say this in the most humblest way. I am faster than Henry, y'all. Like, bro, I hate when y'all do that. Y'all will speed up a clip and be like, yo, he's faster than you. Like, chat, come on now, bro. How to trick an idiot. Oh my god, chat, so funny, y'all. Spam up the laughing emojis in the chat. Spam the laughing emojis in the chat, y'all. Oh my god, he put a picture of a video. Like, do y'all know how many times this happens? Oh my god, like, bro, like, you're not funny. You're not funny, bro. You didn't get nobody with this trick. I don't remember this stream. What the heck? Bro, what the hell is this?
I am Porky. Yo. I am Porky. My friend, Porky.
Man, Peru, what the fuck, man?
Even copy the security guard.
Like, y'all even got rooted, bro. But Peru is clave, man. God damn. Consonant helps, speed, let it out.
Y'all weird.
Let it out. I'm going again. Let it out.
What the f?
Let it out.
Like, why y'all keep AI and shit?
Y'all freaks, bro. Y'all nasty.
AI is actually getting crazy.
That was cool. Let that sit right there.
Y'all actually did that?
Let that sit right there. Ooh.
Bro, y'all gonna have to stop with these clips, bro. What the fuck? Hey! Why is he hitting that? Teacher thinks he's speed.
It's me right here. Don't you come back.
I love when you use Ray Charles.
It's me right here.
Do you have to get permission to use it?
Oh, yes, ma'am. We
Y'all gotta pay.
Wait, what?
This is my favorite part. And this is where I came in. I'm gonna start rapping right now.
That is not me!
Oh, I love the music.
Why is bro acting?
Yeah, thank you.
You're not filming me, are you? No. Okay, because I'm embarrassed. I want to.
No, you good.
Look at the clip. I'm looking at my old clip.
Oh, bro, it's not me. This is not me, bro. Why is he acting?
What's up right there?
Yeah, that's my shit.
And he left. Why he leave at the best part? Speed toward Colombia.
Yo, Colombia. Yes, sir, Colombia. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Oh, y'all got bananas? Platano. Is that a banana? Hola. Okay. No hola.
Welcome to La Quinta.
La Quinta. La Quinta. Hola. Hola.
Check.
What?
No me el tomato.
Tomato. What's this? Bocadillo.
Chat. What does no me el tomato mean? Like what the fuck was he saying? No me el tomato.
It's traditional food of Colombia.
This?
Yeah. This is bocadillo. What is it?
Bocadillo.
Bocadillo. Yeah.
Wait, this is good.
Good.
Bro, what? That boy said no me el tomato. Oh. Oh. Wait, why does he open the banana just like me? Oh, W banana, man. W banana, man.
Wait for the last guy.
I can do this. I promise you, I can do this. I can do that, chat. I can do this. I can do this. I promise you, I can do this. I can do that very easily. What the hell is this?
If IShowSpeed backflipped from the top of the Eiffel Tower, he would fall from a height of 330 meters. However, during the summer, the Eiffel Tower grows taller by up to 15 centimeters due to thermal expansion, which is a process where the iron heats up and expands when exposed to higher temperatures.
What? 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 What in the Dr. Dan? Like what? Oh! What is she doing?
Life is short. Do whatever you like. Some people's gonna judge you. Haters gonna hate.
Facts.
Just do it.
Do what you want to do.
Because at the end of the day, it is you, not
Verse
me,
statement?
who has no life.
Facts, chat. Do what you want to do, y'all.
Here is a tutorial how to pronounce my name, and it is Nigar. Yes.
Nigger is a common name in Iran and Azerbaijan. It actually means soulmate. So technically, in Iran, if you love someone, you call them nigger. Hey, I love you, nigger. Oh, you didn't know. Follow me for more you didn't know.
So in Iran, y'all say I love you, nigger?